Hello, this is the overview for the upgrade parts to the Boomco M6 pistol. We all know that this thing can be an absolute mad powerhouse when you do a triple spring mod or put a K26 in it. But if you're running this as a primary, then you need a few more darts. So here we have a piece here that replaces the handrail and allows you to triple your dart storage capacity. Also, put in a sling point at the bottom if you'd like that as well. I'm also throwing in, here I have a holster design. That simply flips on. I guess you could do it the other way as well. So run around with that, take it out. As for the holder, you can put your darts straight in from the side, or you can slide them in, and easy enough to get out and pop in for your next shot.